Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm the operations manager for Manager Scan. We do fulfillment for Scandy and other clients. Although I enjoy doing fulfillment for our larger partners, I do enjoy doing Scandy stuff just because it's really cool to see what individual users create and cultivate in their everyday lives. So sometimes you get shots of people in the outdoors, and that's really cool to see, just different shots all around the world. And sometimes it's in an indoor space or it's after a celebration, and it's interesting to see what people really want to capture, and it's unique to every single person. I've worked here for almost a year, basically friends with everyone here. We hang out on the weekends. I also like to do baking and cooking. I'm a big music fan, love cats. I always wear my cat shirts. Today I had to dress a little more formally, but I played rugby in college. I played basically every forward position except for hooker. I basically enjoy any sport that involves being outdoors and that sort of thing. I'm not a fan of soccer that much, but I think it's just because I don't really know much about it. So I think a lot of times people think about 3D printing and they don't really understand the concept of how it works. But yeah, I mean, I think it's depending. It just depends on like who you are and the things that you like. But I mean, the applications that I've seen for 3D printing have definitely exceeded what my expectations were when I initially came in, and that's even with scanning or at least what people were using scanning for, which is for people, some objects. But I think once it becomes more mainstream, it'll get to a level where you'll see some really cool creative things, like people using scanning for medical purposes or for like everyday practical needs as opposed to just like novelty items.